Hi friends, welcome to Technical Master. In this video I will show you how to create animated stickers in WhatsApp. We can convert both videos and GIF images to animated stickers. If this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe. Without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the sticker which I want to convert as animated sticker. Open any browser and search Giphy. We can get GIF images in this site. Download the GIF from Giphy to make animated stickers. After downloading the image, open site named as gif.com. We need to convert our GIF image to WebP format. Click on Choose File. Open the image that we have downloaded. Click on Make WebP format. Then click Download image. Open the file manager, then open WhatsApp folder, choose Media folder and select WhatsApp stickers. We can see all the stickers here. Check the date and time to identify them. Press on the sticker and copy its name. Back and go to storage, then select the download folder. Stickers here. Check the date and time to identify them. Select the sticker and rename it. Copy the sticker. Go to WhatsApp folder, select Media, click WhatsApp stickers. Paste the image there. Go to Settings and select WhatsApp. Clear the cache and click Force Stop. Open WhatsApp. We can see the newly created sticker there instead of older sticker, which I got. We can see it, moving when we click on it. We have successfully created our animated sticker, and we can access it from favorites. In my case I didn't resize it. If you want your sticker correctly, change the height and width. If you follow the steps properly I have shown in this video, you can create your own animated stickers. Instead of GIF images, we can convert videos too. If you have any doubts, comment below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.